அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். எண்ணிய முடிதல் வேண்டும், நல்லவே எண்ணல் வேண்டும், தெண்ணிய நெஞ்சம் வேண்டும், தெளிந்த நல் அறிவு வேண்டும். மகாகவியின் கவிதை வரிகளை முன்வைத்து இன்றைய காணொளி காட்சியினை தொடங்குகிறேன். இன்று நாம் காண இருப்பது இந்தியாவின் வரலாற்று சின்னங்கள் ஒரு சிலவற்றை பார்க்கலாம். இந்த காணொளி காட்சியும் ஆங்கிலத்தில்தான். லெட்ஸ் கோ. India is a city with the oldest civilization in the world. It has many historic monuments and heritage sites to see the architectural marvels. Book and see the places with historical importance in India. There are several historic places famous as tourist attractions of love, art and history. Some of them are as follow. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is an incredible epitome of love. It is famous as the symbol of love all over the world. This marble structure is surrounded by the 4 minarets on corners. Each of them is 40 meters in height. Don't miss the view of Yamuna River from riverfront terrace. Water channels and fountains in the entrance make the monument more spectacular. Inside the ground, there are ornamental gardens which make it more fascinating. All the 4 faces of Taj Mahal are in perfect symmetry. Next. Red Fort. Red Fort in Delhi is the most famous in terms of political as well as historical value. The building is made up of a red sandstone, so-called Red Fort. The entire complex represents the architectural creativity by Mughal architecture. In present days, the Red Fort has its own importance. At this place on the Independence Day on 15th August every year, Prime Minister delivers his Independence Day speech from the fort. There is a 2-kilometer defensive wall which encloses the fort. Next one, Khajuraho Temple. There is a Khajuraho group of monuments including Hindu and Jain temples. Around 85 temples were built, but only 22 survived till today. The walls of temples are made of the sandstone with the shades of pale yellow color. The Khajuraho temples are the most graphic sculptures of India. The walls of the temples are based on the theme of women. You can see the sculptures of women dancing, playing, innocent and many other posters. Next one, Jhansi Fort. This is the Jhansi Fort is situated as a large Bangira hilltop. From Jhansi Fort, you can find the mesmerizing view of Jhansi. To enter the gate, you have to cross the 10 gates situated at the outer edge of the city. The fort has a fine collection of sculptures which provide excellent insight into this place. At this fort, the sound landlight shows are organized at very cheap tickets. You can also enjoy them. The timings of the shows are different in summer and winter. Next one, Sanchi Stupi. Sanchi is a small Buddhist city in Madhya Pradesh. There is a greater stupa built by Emperor Ashoka on 3rd century BC and it is the main attraction for tourists. It is an important monument for Buddhists. There are lots of stupas within some distance to each other. You must visit this place to get a glimpse of the development of Buddhist art and sculpture. It is a great attraction to thousands of tourists every year. Check out business class flights with mint fares and get around these famous and fascinating historical places in India. Thank you to all. all are enjoy this video. I think all are enjoyed this video. Thank you.